the j5create HD webcam with auto and manual focus switch. To switch it to manual focus, simply press on the red button once, and you may use the rotating knob to adjust the focus. Let's switch it back to auto mode. This camera also has got a feature where you can extend the camera. It comes with an extendable mount. For privacy, it has got a physical slider to cover the lens. This is the j5create JVU250 HD webcam with auto and manual focus switch. It is not only a webcam, but it also functions as a document camera. So here are some documentation that is printed on box to improve your online presentation. With the extendable mount, you can use it as a document camera, and it also features a crystal clear 1080p image with 3D denoise enhancement. So let's unbox and we'll show you how to set up and its features. So these are the items in box. It has got the camera as well as a user manual where it shows you how to set up and use. Let us take a look at the camera. It features a magnetic privacy cover that acts as a slider. For first use, you may want to remove the tape that's covering the 1080 HD image sensor with high quality lens over here. There. So there's a button over here where you can press to switch from auto to manual focus. And this is the manual focus knob to adjust when you are in manual focus. Now, for the cable is 2 meters long, and it comes with USB-A or USB-C connectivity, where you can plug to either USB-A or USB-C ports on your computer. It also has got a cable holder over here where you can put in your cable. This is a well thought of design to protect your cable from being pulled and damaging it. It has also got the extendable mount, which we are about to show you over here. So the extendable mount will allow you to extend and then you flip it downwards, and it now functions as a document camera. Very innovative design. Besides that, you can also open this and it will function as a tripod. by itself. So you can see that a lot of thought have gone into the design of this webcam. Besides that, at the bottom, you can also mount it on a tripod. So let us connect this webcam to our computer and we'll show you its other functions. To begin, we'll start by plugging the camera into our laptop. So we'll use the USB-A port. After plugging in, you can mount it onto the laptop or your monitor as shown. Simply open up a little bit and mount it on the laptop. You can rotate the camera, and of course you may want to slide the privacy cover open, and you can do your Zoom calls. Next, we're going to show you the auto and manual focus mode switching. We will also show you how to use this camera as a document camera, and we are going to place this document on the keyboard of our laptop. In order to do that, we need to mount the camera in a different way. So here's how. We're going to open this up and use this to clip onto the laptop. Then we will use the extendable mount, pull it out and flip the camera downwards as shown. Let's turn on the video for our Zoom. So you can see that the document is upside down. In order to rotate it 180 degrees, press on the button for 3 seconds. The document is now rotated correctly. And to switch from auto, which is currently the mode that it is in, to manual focus, simply press on the red button once. So now it is in manual focus switch. And you can rotate the knob to adjust the focus. So in order to switch back to the auto mode, simply press on the red button once. It is now in the autofocus mode. So we're going to show you the high definition 1080 image sensor. So these are just some everyday objects that we have, and you can see how sharp the camera is able to focus onto the objects. So that is a high definition 1080p image sensor with wide angle lens. Besides that, this camera also has got a built-in high fidelity microphone. So this is the j5create HD webcam with auto and manual focus switch. Do check it out at the stores.